Make sure to stay until the end. We will explain where you can find more information about the symptoms and how a bad radiator fan resistor can affect your radiator fan in your Fiat 500. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Fiat 500. If you have a Fiat 500 generation from year 2008 to currently year 2022, and you need to see where the radiator fan resistor is located, how to replace it, stay with us, we'll explain that today. Most of the times, okay, that resistor guys, if it goes bad, your radiator fan may not be working correctly and you may spend quite a bit of money to replace the whole assembly when all you have to do replace the resistor, and we'll have a video we'll talk about that, how to test it and the symptoms of bad radiator fan resistor. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here in the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So with that being said, let's explain what we have specifically here. This is a Fiat 500. Only thing, this is the Abarth guys. We remove the air filter box on top, but what do you need to do? You need to remove the battery mount, the battery tray right here, that one over there. We have it removed. If you want to see how to do it step by step, we have the video on the channel. Once you do that and you come right here, that device right here is your radiator fan resistor, and that resistor itself, it has only one bolt, okay, with 7mm socket that we're going to go ahead, okay, it's a screw actually. Get that one loose. It came out. Now if you come in an angle, pull it out, it comes out. Now all we have to do, that yellow thing, okay, let's show here the, oh sorry, the yellow thing needs to be pulled out with your fingers. Okay, now that's stuck out. Okay, let us show you now. The yellow thing came out. Now you can press down and you can disconnect it. That's your radiator fan resistor. That's how you guys remove and replace radiator fan resistor. We'll try to put the link in the description of the video below where you can get one from. If you want to see how to remove the battery mount, the battery tray, we have the video on the channel step by step. Now if that resistor doesn't work correctly, your radiator fan may not turn on because it actually detects how hot the air is behind the radiator. It's going to send that practically, okay, to the fan, to the computer, and it will know if it needs to turn on low or high. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.